All right, good morning everyone, wherever you are, morning, evening, whatever. So we're back on the Viking. It's been a while since we put up a Viking update. Been a little bit busy at the shop. Weather's been a bit crazy. Haven't had time to get everything done, so we've had to put this on hold for a while. So yeah, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit the bearings, fit the hubs back of the GM14 bolt. I'm not putting the brakes in that in because what I'm doing is I'm actually just fitting it. I want to get wheels on it, make sure that everything's lined up before we weld that diff on full up, but it's good enough for now, so we're just going to be pushing it around. I've ordered new bearings. Once the new bearings arrive, I'll pull this apart, put new bearings in and do the brakes same time. But right now what we're trying to do is get her back onto wheels so that we can push her around and get the body work done. There's the other side. This side's still got its brake assembly in. It all needs to be redone, and we need to get new new brake pads on there as well. Progress. So let's get this thing on wheels today. You'll also see I'll drop in I'm probably gonna hopefully tackle the front as well. She is now on a set of wheels on the back, not the correct ones because I've got to have tires put on the rims over there. I've taken the front tires off as well so that I can put the adapters on, but at least she's down and on her wheels now again at the back. And then hopefully tomorrow if I get a gap, I'll try to do a video on putting the spacers on so that you can run dually rims up front as opposed to the stock rims. The motor is opened, ready. Tomorrow I'm going to start stripping the front of it off, start stripping it apart, getting it ready to paint, clean, redo the gaskets and everything. So yeah, hopefully we can start pounding away on the Viking, get her out of here, because I must say I do miss driving my truck. So it's Arno's birthday. We're cutting some cake for him. Today, in today's video, I'm going to show you some snippets of my time with Arno. You get to know Arno. But it's his birthday. Yeah.
Right, so today we're stripping out the Viking's components in the doors. We stripped out the passenger side door first, quite different to the four doors. This whole frame needs to come out. You've got 4 bolts, 2 bolts on this side and 2 bolts on this side, and then this whole frame pulls out, and then you've got access to get your foil window and window regulators out. Right, so as you can see, If it's the first time that you strip the doors, it's probably a bit unknown for you because we're used to Ford. But it's actually a good patent that they've got going on here. So it's nice that the whole subframe of the window just comes out. And you've got access to the windows and the quarter windows.
Busy taking out the headliner quickly. See what's going on. See how rusted the roof is up there. So you can see I've got my trusty steed Honor here. How's it look?
A lot of pop rivets.
Oh, well.
And,
let's get it off and we'll show everyone what's going on under there. The dismantling of the interior has begun.
What's one there more?
Yeah, there's one there. That one. So we're busy having a look. And there we can see, so when you see that many rivets, we know there's that much putty. Actually, no, you know what those rivets are? There's a sunroof there. On the back. Oh, there's like a sunroof that used to be there that they closed up, I think. Let's get it out, man. Let's see what's happening under there.
I think it's turning. How long is this bulb? Can you see?
I can't see anything.
Looks like it's turning.
Did they put a bolt on the roof? They fucking did, my bro. Yeah, there's a nut up here, bro. They put a nut and covered it in silicone.
What is that, 8-spanner?
Yeah, 8-spanner, bro.
That's why the water is.
Yeah, no wonder this thing's leaking so much fucking water, bro. I was like, ah, well, we went through the roof. No one's gonna get on the roof and see that. Ah, that's the headliner.
That's not bad at all, man.
No, actually, I won't lie, I expected a hell of a lot worse. Eh? The way the water was coming in through that nut there. I thought it was running in from the front and running down across here and
Even
dripping
the pop
there.
rivets is not rusted, so I think
No,
you put new pop rivets in and then just seal it from the top in.
Or we could put a glass roof in.
No.
And you can look at the moon
No.
and you're eating edibles and I'm driving.